Now, protein shakes, keto, even the lemon detox. We have seen countless diet trends through the years, but one named after our most glamorous country icon, Dolly Parton, is back in a pretty big way.
Yeah, Tom's coming. We've got to get into shape. With a menu consisting of only cabbage soup, fruit and vegetables, the eating plan claims to help you lose up to 7 kilos in 1 week. But does a diet that extreme actually work? And is it sustainable for real life weight loss? That's a really good question. To get to the bottom of it all, welcome to accredited practicing dietitian, Bronwyn Greenfield. Thanks for joining us. A couple of key questions there, right? Does it work? Can we do it? Tell us about this Dolly Parton diet.
Yeah, so it's pretty much you're just eating this beautiful cabbage soup for breakfast, lunch and dinner every day.
That's it.
Yeah, very delicious.
Is it?
But no, that was sarcasm. Sorry.
I was just checking because it doesn't. It looks kind of strange.
No, it's purely just cabbage and like boiled with a lot of water. It actually it wasn't originated from Dolly herself. It was just named the Dolly Parton diet.
Right.
But it was a good marketing scheme. But in terms of effectiveness, definitely not effective long term.
So it was named the Dolly Parton diet because it works from 9 to 5? So bad.
Boom!
I was just trying to connect it. I was doing my best.
She doesn't have anything to do with it.
No,
she said no. This is not anything to do with me.
Yeah. So she's actually noticed that a diet was named after her, and she said, "Oh, I should probably try it." But yeah, she never actually. It didn't originate from her.
Okay.
But in terms of like its effectiveness, 100% a fat diet. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
If we're not going to have the cabbage soup, what are the alternatives? Take us through it.
Yeah, for sure. So first we've got like a pumpkin soup. So the thing with soups is that you really want to make sure they have a good amount of protein in them so that we actually are left feeling quite full and satisfied afterwards. Because often if we have a soup, we end up feeling quite hungry. So it's really important it has protein and also carbohydrates to actually fill us up and give us a slow release of energy as well.
Okay, that sounds good.
That looks delicious.
Ginger, all sorts of yummy things in it. And also, you've got chicken noodle, which I suppose is everyone's favourite. Is this a modern take, is it?
Yeah, definitely a modern take. So typically the chicken noodle doesn't have a lot of colour or vegetables. It's quite low protein, like doesn't tend to have a lot of chicken within it. So this one definitely incorporates a lot more chicken, a lot more colour, a lot more veggies. So we end up feeling a lot more full and satisfied after eating it, which is really important.
And you could do that without the chicken too, right? If you're a vegetarian?
Yeah. You could swap that out for something like beans or lentils or even tofu if you wanted to ensure you got the protein.
Yeah, I like that. And what about that chunky lamb soup over there? What's in that one?
So this one has lamb shanks, so you can put it on in the morning in a slow cooker and leave it on while you go to work if you wanted, and then when you come home the lamb shank kind of softly falls off the bone. And then you've also got like tomato, carrot, onion, lots of good flavours in there, and yeah, super delicious but also really filling and satisfying, which is really important.
Slow cooked lamb shank is so
And you could have it with a slice of crusty bread if you wanted, just to bump up the carbs as well.
Right, okay. So these are whole meals, and we're going to put all the recipes on the Sunrise website, so if people are interested, you can make them yourself. Thank you so much.
No worries.
Cheers.
Thank you.
And you can find all of that on our website, but also follow Bronwyn on Instagram, TikTok under Diet Free Dietitian.
Stay with us, we have plenty still to come this morning.